We recording? I think we are. Alright, I think we're alright. I hope you can see. Is it on? It's fine. I look like a retard. So my car's got a new clutch and a new cam belt. Not that anyone cares. I need to go before people see me. Oh my god. So yeah, hope everyone's enjoying isolation, being stuck indoors. It is a vibe, to be fair. So I've been ordering some things for my car, and one of the main things you'll see at the weekend, but I'll give you a hint. Oh my god, don't look at me. I'll give you a hint. The car's gonna be a bit loud. I think you know exactly. So that should be done at the weekend, and if it isn't, then something's gone wrong. But yeah, we're currently in the lockdown in the UK, so I'm in my car, isolated from everyone. As you can see, I'm on my own, so I'm not breaking any rules as such, I don't think. But yeah, the next time I do that, the car should be loud. It's a Hornet exhaust. I might as well just tell you. The video will be coming out at the weekend, again, if everything goes to plan. So make sure you're subscribed for that, because 90% of my viewers aren't subscribed, which is a violation, to be honest. I'm gonna go oh my god, if this guy looks at me, I'm dead. Oh my god, I'm so scared. I've got a camera on my head and my trim looks like a fucking oh my god, I'm so dead. I can't do this. But yeah, I bought this head mount about 3 months ago, and this is the first time I've put it on, so I'm going to start to use my GoPro more and everything. So let me know if you like this kind of concept, and once I've got my exhaust I can do more. And if you don't like the concept, that's fine, because I'll probably do more anyway, because it's just fun to just sit down and talk, I think. And rather than sitting in my room, might as well sit in my car. So yeah, if you're new to the channel, it is my 1.2 Clio. That's about it. It's coming up to a year ownership, so I'll have a video of that, of course. Got to do all the videos I can. Yeah, I don't know, I probably should have prepared some sort of script for this. And if you aren't aware, I've got a black box, so if this van has any brain, it'll come flying past me. He doesn't have a brain. So my black box just means I can't speed anywhere, which isn't really a problem, keeps me safe. But obviously people like to tailgate and stuff. But I'm hoping once I've got my exhaust, it should add up for the fact that I can't actually go fast anywhere. I'm going to turn on my lights because it's a bit overcast. Top tip, come on, I'm waffling, man. I don't even know if the camera angles are okay. I hope it is, or this whole video is going to be a bit of a flop, isn't it? Bloody hell. So yeah, I'm trying to do a lot more videos with my car. They've been like lacking, I think. So yeah, exhaust is coming at the weekend, as I've said about 20,000 times. And then realistically, that's all the mods. I might do some small things here and there, but that seems to me to be all the mods, which is fine. Content wise, it's not ideal, but not much I can do, to be honest, is there? Because insurance, they won't even let me put on springs. But if any companies would like to help out, like send out even like some stickers or something, that would be pretty sick. But yeah, I think I've tried to cover the point. We are all stuck indoors. I hope you're all staying safe. I think we're in the second phase of the lockdown, so like the 5th week, the fourth week. I am losing track of the days, I'll be honest. I do want to start to do a lot more videos with this head mount, so I've also got a suction mount, so I can just like stick the camera. I can just stick the camera on the glass or something on the sunroof. It's just a vibe, and I keep on like remembering, like everywhere I turn, you can see what I'm seeing pretty much. that she stays safe with the face mask. It's just the vibe. You want to stay safe now so you won't regret it in the future. That is gang. So yeah, this is AJ's new song. It's one of them like bop ones. I don't know what I'm talking about. I don't want to pull up alongside them. They're gonna look at me. Oh, I think I'm fine. Can I go right here? Is that traffic light saying right? Let's find out. Oh, I think I'm okay. Oh my god. Don't look at me! This is so embarrassing. That is a problem with driving around with this bloody thing on my head. The things I do for the content. This has, I don't know what I've said in this video. I've said exhaust about like 100 times. Stay safe as I'm outside, but I'm in my car, so it's fine. It's just not a thing, is it? I want to do some videos helping people like to, I think I just smashed the GoPro on the thing, helping people like to learn to drive and stuff, because obviously this is my first car. Like just some like small tips, like could be for parking. I'm not saying I'm not saying I'm a professional, but I think everyone can do with tips and pointers. So if I can help, I'll try to help. If you are still here, like thank you for all the support. Like it is insane. Like my channel has grown bits in the last couple of months compared to like its whole growth. Like it's done more growth in the last couple of months than it has in like 1 or 2 years, which is insane, and it makes me like feel good knowing I'm doing something with a purpose kind of thing. Because my channel isn't big at all, and yet I still upload, I still enjoy it, because it is genuinely fun. It's something to do. And if you're considering setting up a channel, I wouldn't even say go for it. You should have a channel already and just upload stuff, whatever, because people get hung up on the numbers and stuff. But I can look back now on my videos from a year ago and see how much I've changed in just that short space of time. So if you don't want to grow, all that kind of stuff, just do it for like the memory and stuff, because photos are great, but videos you can hear your voice, see how you act. It's just good. And I think it's definitely one of the better choices that I've made in life. I haven't made any bad choices though, I don't think. Yeah. But yeah, with the exhaust I'm gonna like do quite a lot of videos. Installation, sound, flybys, all that kind of stuff. After the lockdown, me and my mates are going to go to the beach, and he's got an exhaust. There's 3 of us, and one of them's got an exhaust on his car, so I can do like a rev off. I can do a video of us going to the beach, like cruising there. It's just good. Like hopefully, fingers crossed, all the content should start like flooding in now. And from a like business point of view, the channel's now growing, so it's the perfect time to just pump out videos to keep that growth up. If you have any suggestions for videos, let me know. I've got quite a lot planned, but obviously we're stuck indoors, so I'm just trying to do what I can, like sitting down and talking. I thought I'll put on the head mount today, talk in my car, add a little perspective. What's up with all the cars today? There's some sick cars out. I don't know if you can see them. I don't know if you can see anything. This whole video could be a flop. And the fact that I haven't planned a script or anything, I have a feeling this is going to be a bit of a shambles video. I'm 99% sure I've said 20 different things about 20 times. Like there's no form to it at all. But welcome to my channel. I might do a video like car spotting. Like I've seen like Shmee's been doing that, but obviously he's in London with all the supercars. I'm just thinking like all the modified cars. Like that Defender is my dream car, but I'm staying calm because there's a camera on my head. But if I was on my own, I might scream. But yeah, it's just like having a look at what cars are about, whether it's a supercar, a modified car, a cool car, all that kind of stuff. So yeah, hopefully you would like to see that. But at this point I'm just trying to do whatever content I want to do, because I'm still trying to like grow the channel. Like the channel is tiny. But that being said, I couldn't be happier with the channel, and as I said, we probably had one of the best months I could have had. So thank you for everything so far, and hopefully the future is bright. But yeah, hopefully this video had some form, like that would be nice. If you have enjoyed, not that you could have, like, subscribe. As I've said 1,000 times, there's a lot of videos coming out, and hopefully I'll see you in another one. Cheers.